The aim of this procedure is to characterize species-typical behaviors in mice. First, burrowing behavior is studied by filling a tube with material and measuring how much is removed by the animal. Nestlets are placed in the cage, and the completeness of the nest is quantified as a measure of nesting behavior. Hoarding behavior is examined by placing a mouse in a box with access to a tunnel filled with food pellets and measuring how much the animal retrieves from the tunnel. The results from this series of tests show whether the mice perform their activities of daily living normally.
The implications of this technique can extend towards the search for treatments for dementia, because functionally similar behaviours are impaired in both mouse and in man. The species-typical behaviours in the mouse can be likened to the activities of daily living of humans even. And the first effects of Alzheimer's disease are to inhibit the performance of normal activities of daily living, like making your breakfast, doing up your shoelaces, planning a meal, going on a shopping trip. And with our model Alzheimer mice, we find that the species-typical behaviours are very much inhibited. So here we have a direct model, a homologous model almost, between activities of daily living as seen in patients with Alzheimer's at home and in the clinic, and the inhibition of species-typical behaviours in the mouse.